Okay, I'm starting here. It's 25 March 2026. I'm going to unbox a Toshiba, what is this thing called? It's a Toshiba bombeat D1 Actas RT-9000s. Alright, got that? Okay. Now, go live. Going live. Stars enabled. Okay, it's 25 March 2026. I'm live here, yay. Okay, so now, what I want to show you is that I have this is exactly the same thing I'm going to unbox, but I've already gotten one of these because this is the first one I got. It's plugged in. This is a Japanese domestic model, so if we hit play, right, motor runs, and the radio works kind of sort of, and it's not in the best of shape, but the most important thing for me is none of this. I don't know why I bought this. Okay, but the reason why I got it is because I got the handle, really. Paid whatever I paid for to get the handle. And here's one that I bought. This is what I really wanted, kind of, sort of, but I actually wanted the American model. Okay, so this is a, I'm sorry, that was a, wait, what's this one here? Okay, this is a, doesn't even say the model number on the front. Here it is, A700S. Okay, so they make an 8700, all right, an 8710, an 8740, 8740, and then they make a 9000 model. Now, this is a 9000 model right here. I've totally gone through this one here. The radio is dead, okay? It's dead, but the line-in works. And the tape player works perfectly, alright? So if I take this and drop in this tape here, okay? But not tape player. Oh, wrong button. Nope. There we go, they're all different. See, where do you can never remember. Well, there it goes. Okay, so stop that. Which one's eject? These are all different. Okay, so this one works great, but the radio doesn't work at all. Alright, but what I'm interested in about this is the speakers. Alright, because the speakers are oval as opposed to the other one having a round speaker and then a tweeter. This doesn't have a tweeter at all. This just has one 5x7 speaker inside here, which sounds better in my opinion than the other ones that pop when you put any kind of bass music to it. Right? Then here is has nothing to do with all this, but I'm just throwing it in here to show you that this thing still works. This is a Panasonic RS466S, right? And it's colorful. So we play. Alright, so that works like that. Eject this, pick that out. That's basically showing you that my power cord is still good, right? And then here is another one that is identical to that one, except it doesn't have all the paint on it. And they're both missing the antenna, but I put an antenna around it. So in other words, I soldered a wire to the antenna deal and I ran a wire all the way around it so you can get FM. Okay? And this one also I have, let's see here, I've gone through and done it. So alright, enough of that. Let's play that. Okay, so just wanted to show you that. That works. The radio works. This one, the radio actually works better on this one than it does on this one, but that's, you know, if you're really getting down to it. But anyway, what we're here for, what you're here for, is watch me unbox this one in that box there. Alright, so here we go. This arrived finally in a very nice, well packaged package. And how when they shoot pictures of these things, this listing here is specifically cropped the picture to where it doesn't show the handle. So I'm expecting this to work on the radio and the cassette, but not have the handle. Now if it has the handle, that'll be fabulous. If it doesn't, well, oh well. But, you know, that's how people get around, you know, selling something and not describing it, you know, because everybody's looking for the antenna. They're looking for the antenna. They're looking for it to be complete. And this one, you know, but that wasn't my concern. My concern was to have the speakers. Okay, I can fix the tape deck. I can adjust the radio. Okay, but if the radio is dead, I can't repair that. Right? I don't know how, you know. I fix things to component level sometimes, but not everything is repairable by me. Some things I'll ship out. Other things I'll just move on to something else, because that's all I do is play with these radios here. And you may think, why am I getting this? Because this has 4 watts of channel, has bass and treble, okay, and the tape deck is a very wide response tape deck. It has metal tape, but the tape deck coupled with the amplifier and then the speakers sounds very nice for what it is. The other one with the round speakers can't accommodate the bass that the unit can put out. So, and then of course you can separate the speakers really wide when you unplug it, when you undo it all anyway. So here we are, we're getting into this one here. It's full of stuffing, okay, and we're going to see. So we got this, more of that, and here's the main unit. Okay, and well, you just have to drop the box. It's a very heavy thing. Okay, so there it is. There's nothing in there, just more stuffing. If we can close the box back up a little bit. This one, supposedly the radio works, and well, I don't know about the radio, but they did advertise via pictures showing that the model's working. We have, yeah. So now, okay. Anyway, so let's see here. I've got so much bubble wrap saved because I haven't sold much of anything. Got a little pebble inside here, moving around. I don't know what that's about. Alright, so there we go. And in the past, I had 3 of the 8700s. And because these things take up so much, well, everything takes up a lot of room, but these don't, anyway, they're just different. But I had 3 of them in the past, way back a long time ago, and I sold all 3 of them. The last one I made a video outside in the backyard, you know, spread wide with the speakers inside on the ground and all that. Yeah, this doesn't have the handle, and doesn't have the center clip either. Okay, so it does have those parts, but it doesn't have the center clip. Alright, so I'll be capturing the center clip from one of these, not from this one, from that one probably, and the handle to make it all work right. Alright, so now let's Just, where's your power cord? You drop the power cord. Here's the power cord. Okay, yep. There we go. Power cord. Get this here. Power cord goes in here. Great. We got sound. Where's your tape? Tape's over here. Okay. So since so the power's already, hell, there's a tape in here. There's already a tape in here. They sent it with a tape. Well. Okay, that is the Carpenter's. This is a Sony tape, high bias, and it's a 74-minute tape, so that'll be odd for me. Alright, so here's the tape I've been playing. So hit. Okay, so it stops. No, that's not. Okay. We'll need probably. Okay. Well, at least I got the speakers. Speakers are in good condition. Alright, so turn the radio on. This is broke off. That's no good. That's alright. Okay, so FM stereo, radio, this. There we go. It's just really stiff. Okay, so yeah, so this needs to be cleaned. There we go. Alright, so yeah. So does this have any antenna? Yeah, it's got the antenna. Full and complete. Great. Alright, so the radio works, but needs, fixing, cleaning, all that. Okay. Alright, well, the tape deck. Alright, so the tape deck works, but it's not the greatest. This unit works, needs servicing. All the controls need cleaning. But I bought it for the speakers. So I'm in search of a bottom unit. Alright. That's what I'm looking for next. Because I don't need all I really want off this model here is the speakers. And I can put the speakers on that one there along with the handle. And that's about it. So yeah, I'm a bit obsessed over these speakers here, so I'll clean these up and so on and so forth. And this is where I'm at with these. I really do like this smaller unit model thing here. Okay. And I don't think anybody can ever buy any more of these anywhere, this oval speakered whatnot. So just wanted to run that by you in case you never heard of it, seen it before or whatever. Here it is. I've got the last two on the planet. There was one for sale. So this is the one I repaired, 14 minutes. Here's the one here. This is the one I got. Alright, so looks like that. Tape deck works, but it's got issues. That's okay. Alright. Alright, I've seen enough. I've shot enough video. Alright, so in the meantime, I've been working on the sharp here. Let's see if we can do that. Let's see if we can just walk everything. Alright, let me put the camera down so I can take this other camera and just setting the camera down. Let me get this. Alright. Okay, great. So Now we're just going to walk, right? Walk out of the room here. No, we're not going into this room. This is where everything is. No, we're not going there. We're going to go this way, all right? Walk, walk, walk on the floor, okay? I want to show you, this is what I'm working on right here. The Sharp GF 319 and 318. One of these. This one here came out of the box. I just fixed the tape deck in it finally. This one here has a bad micro switch, which is underneath that circuit board there. You can buy the new micro switch, but it doesn't match the one on the circuit board, so you'd have to do some really finagling to get that to work. And so I just wanted to show you that. So it's which one is it here? It's well, there you go. There's the back side of that one, which has black speakers. This one has white speakers. All right, so yeah, so just too much fun. All right, so anyway, got lots of things to do. I have not bought the 777 yet. I'll get to it when I get to it. All right, so anyway, thanks for watching. I've been holding two phones, or the phone and this camera here. All right, so as I shoot this. All right, so I'm going to sign off today. Bye. Thanks for watching. Turn this one off. All right.